pulses. You can, I mean, you can look at this way also, but it might be slightly confusing. Sometimes you might miss out one serving here and one serving there. So what you need to do, just click on this arrow.
तो काकी एक दिन वो सेशन चला था ना, वो लिंक होगा, चला के देख लिया किसी ने?
So automatically it will just only show you what are the various food groups that have been included in that we have taken for the breakfast. Okay, so what we have decided for the breakfast: 1.5 serving of cereals, 1 serving of pulses, 1 serving of high carb, and 1 serving of sugar with 1.5 sugar in the sense it could be fixed. I'm not talking about the refined sugar. That also, if you want, you can take it. For example, if your client is like a tea person or a coffee person, don't give them along with the breakfast, as we have discussed in our previous classes. Okay, so maintain a gap of at least 1 hour after the breakfast and try to give the respective coffee or tea so that the interaction might not happen. Okay, then nuts and seeds of 1.5 serving. So for group chart, I think it's available, Richa, in your student version only. It is available. Okay.
ना आवे फिर कह दे वैल्यू तो जब होगी.
So please drop in some ideas with respect to cereal and pulses. Obviously, we can give it like a fruit and some raisins or figs and nuts and seeds, like a bowl. We can give fruit and nuts seed bowl. We can give, that's a different thing. With respect to cereals and pulses, come up with some ideas in the chat box. Okay, one is moong dal chila. All right. Anything else? Just this is a kind of interaction. Okay. So if I simply give out all the ideas, it might be boring for you, right? So let's make it interactive. Mixed dal dosa is also one good option, right? Sprouts, that is a very good option. Okay. Even I was thinking about the same, right? Millet dosa. Tofu we cannot give because we haven't included tofu here. If we have included that tofu food group, then we can definitely go for it. Okay. Oats and mixed dal dosa. All right. Yes. Suji, oats, veg, udappam. Yes, that is also perfectly good. Quinoa khichdi. Yes, that is also a very good protein option. Okay. Right. Veg poha, vegetables we have not included here, right? So hence we cannot go for that. Okay. Alright, so let's come up with some ideas. Multiple ideas are there here, right? So oats plus banana plus dry fruits, yes, but pulses are missing. Okay, so with respect to pulses, so we need to come up with some one thing, the most common everyone has mentioned, it's like oats and sprouts chila sort of a thing, or oats and dal chila, we can go for it. Okay, so
8 मिनट हो गए काका. हाँ,
we'll just type it here. Why sprouts I have taken instead of the regular lentils? Because the sprouts might be having even more better nutritional value. For example, if you want to use the green mung beans or moong dal, green moong dal to make your dosa, okay, or to make your chila, instead of just if you just soak it for like 6 to 8 hours, if you make it a batter, if you make chila, definitely it's a very good nutritious thing. But the same moong dal, green moong dal, if you actually sprout it after soaking, if you sprout it, and those sprouts, if you actually blend it along with this oats and try to make a chila out of it, it will be much more nutritious. Okay, because sprouting will reduce the anti-nutritional factors in it, and the nutrients can be even more better absorbed. Okay, but always look out whether your client is able to handle those sprouts or not, because few individuals can face bloating. In that scenario, you can just steam it for a couple of minutes and you can do, or else maybe you can slowly increase. I mean, you can use an alternate option, like you can go for cowpeas or something like that, which they can easily tolerate. Okay. So oats and oats plus sprouts, chila, okay, plus
crossroad भी ना आया है.
Since it's a mango season, let's specifically mention mango. Okay, let everyone enjoy the mango. Okay, so mango, mango nuts bowl. I'm just putting it. Okay, in that nut specifically,
आराम से चला ले कदे वो डांट रहा है और उसका लकड़ी जा रोकी का
okay, so in that nuts, whatever if you want, you can go for the mixed nuts or you can go for single variant or just 2 varieties also you can go. But how much you have to get? That is around 1.5 serving. 1.5 serving means 1 serving means 15 grams. 1.5 serving means 15 plus close enough to 7. So 21 grams of nuts and seeds combination you can give, or simply straight up one variety of nuts also you can give. Yes, soaked almonds is also very good. So each almond can weigh somewhere around 1 to 1.2 grams. So you can take somewhere around 10 almonds plus a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds or something like that, which can give you somewhere around 15 grams plus a little more you can add. Okay. Can we add mango shake made of skim milk without sugar as per Infinite Dose? Yes, you can definitely go for it. But we have to come up with an idea of the food groups that we have included here. In the breakfast, we have not included milk. If we have included milk, definitely we can come up with that. Okay. So based on these ideas, what we did for this specific plan, we're just going with this way. Otherwise, when you're preparing the plan, if you're feeling like if you want to include milk in the breakfast, you can use it for milkshakes. It could be or meal preparation. It could be for all those things. Or if there is curd and all, you can use it for overnight soaked oats and all of those things. Okay. The sugar, what is called in separate sugar. So with respect to the sugar, all these dried apricots, figs, cranberries, and raisins, dates or date powder, it could be jaggery or jaggery powder or any kind of a sugar, honey, everything comes under the sugar category. Okay. Here we have included only just raisins. Maybe I've taken the sugar 1 serving, but it's not the actual sugar I've included. It is just for the raisins or the figs, not even dates also. Okay. Clear, Aaron, right? Okay. So till now is this clear for everyone? Okay, can I move ahead? Okay, so let's come up with another idea for so usually we need to come up with 3 different options, but let's keep moving ahead. For meal 2, we will try to come up with an idea. So now what we need to do, now again remove this blank, what we have selected for the breakfast. Now let's put that filter of blanks for the second option, which is lunch option. Meal 2 is our lunch option. So what are the various food groups you have included? 1.5 serving of cereals, pulses, leafy vegetables, other vegetables, milk and curd, and visible fat. Okay, so what are the various options we can come up with here? Very good. Millet khichdi can be included. Yes, raita can be included. And how do you want to incorporate green leafy vegetables and other vegetables? Okay, dal plus roti plus sabzi plus salad. That's a perfect thing. Okay, so all are included. Okay. Anything else? Any ideas? Again, one important point I would like to say, do not always think when we come up with some unique ideas, then only our nutrition programming will be better, okay? If you go as simple and as relatable to the regular diet, I mean to the regular dietary routine, then only it is going to be more sustainable. Do not always...
सीधा नहीं कहा था, मैं नहीं जानता किसी को। ओप्पो कौन है, सैमसंग कौन है?
गुरूर बना रखे है,
सीधा बाहर मारा था।
टीम घड़िया री भाई, इसकी ही बना होगा। शुरुआत में तो इतना गुरूर करे थे, कितना भाई इतनी।
किसकी बताओ तू?
कैप्टन की।
तो काकी एक बात बताऊं, केनू का है कि इसी ट्रेनिंग में भी ऑफ का साथ हो ना, तो फायदा कौन है?
देखन उतर के तड़के यार सही कर।
तने क्या करे, वाईफाई बंद कर दिया के? हां मार ली तो बाजी लोग आई फिर।
Just missing here that we have to incorporate in one or the. So in this wheat chapati actually we can include like fenugreek leaves, it could be, or spinach it could be. We can make a roti out of it. That we also we can include. Okay. Yes, like a thepla. That would be a very yummy option as well. Okay. Now, okra curry. So whatever we are just coming up in the chat box, right? So that can be used like an alternate options also. Here I'm not doing it, but when you have to submit the assignment, or for example, if I'm your client and if you give me only one plan, that is not enough, right? So you need to give me, if I've registered with you for a 1 month, you need to give me at least for the 1 week, different plans should be there. The same first week plan can be followed in the third week. The second week you can give different options. Again, you don't have to change each and every meal. Okay, a little bit here and there. They can follow the same millet rice in the lunch every day. Maybe the curry what they are consuming, you can change it. Okay, maybe in the next week instead of millet rice, they can go for brown rice, or wheat roti it could be, or millet roti it could be, or oats and millet based roti. So that way you can experiment how much you're going to want. Okay.
काका दूर हो गए
Then what is okra curry? Okra is lady finger.
बोल सच्चे दरबार वीर तड़के नौर आ जाएंगे